Okay. To the dedicated and supportive Public Schools District Supervisor, Sir Cesar Acevedo, sir. The ever-smiling face and approachable principal of AES, Sir Paul Lazo. And to my school head at Palok Elementary School, who is so gorgeous now. More gorgeous than ever. Dear teachers, other guests, we have the SPTA president here and Miss Mel, AES incoming AO, Miss Rosel Alquisa. A pleasant afternoon to all. People come and go in every workplace, which is inevitable due to call of duty. Barely 9 months ago, when I came and joined your team, and today, I bid farewell to each one of you. My heart is heavy leaving the premises of this school since I was already able to adapt myself with the team's culture. I can still recall the day when Sir Paul introduced me to every pupil in every classroom from kindergarten to grade 6. It was that very moment that I felt excited to work in this place. But time flies so fast, it has come at this moment of goodbyes. So I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the entire AES family for your support, the kindness, and camaraderie you have extended to me during my stay. You have made this short chapter of my life truly special. The challenges I went through in my work became light and easy with your help. I also would like to thank, in a very special way, Ma'am Kathleen Del Rosario for extending her help and assistance to me, even if she is no longer connected with the institution, a true testimony of one call and chat away. Ma'am Kat has been my partner during those times that I need to learn about MOOE liquidations. To Sir Paul, Sir, thank you for always understanding my limitations and shortcomings. Much to my desire to be more competitive with my fellow AOs in the district, in the timely submission of administrative reports, my pace is quite slow and gradual yet. I honestly admit that I'm still a work in progress, especially so that this is my first time working in government, and majority of my career exposure was in the private sector. There are similarities in my job descriptions, but there is much more to learn and that I need to cope with. Nonetheless, I will carry all the memories and lessons learned here close to my heart. Though I'm moving on, a part of me will always remain here. I will deeply miss our interactions, the Chica Minute, and the food bonding moments. So I wish you all continued joy and fulfillment. Keep striving for excellence, supporting one another, and making this school a true beacon of knowledge. Again, thank you for everything.